The network knows all. All data flows across the network. Wouldn't it be great if we could capture all of that analytics to understand what's going on in the business, what's going on in the network, so we can respond quicker? And the idea is that the network's got to become more agile to respond to what the business needs. And that may be around security, it may be around the devices that are connecting, it may be around how we automate processes so that applications and services can automatically talk to the network and change the way the network is configured and designed to be able to support a customer's business.
A business needs to be agile to meet the demands that are coming down the line. Things are changing very fast. The business environment is changing fast, but also the technology environment behind that is changing quickly. And in order to meet that outcome, they need to release some of the control they have of the services they're delivering to allow them to focus on the business rather than focus on the infrastructure that's sitting behind. Optus is working towards delivering that. We deliver a lot of that into the marketplace today.
The common practice to think about security as something they bolt on at the end. The dynamic around that conversation is changing. It's one of the things that as security professionals are trying to push is that security needs to be built in from ground zero. It's not something you bolt in and mold to a solution because it can never be that effective. So if you involve the security conversation in the blueprint stage, you can do security cheaper, more effectively because it's inbuilt. It's in the DNA of your solution, whether that solution is a network or an application. It's in there from the start.
The legacy infrastructure provides almost like a handbrake to the business. It doesn't allow them to scale dynamically. They can't turn off services if they're changing the way they do their business, the size of their business, because it's got a fixed cost that's sitting behind the organisation. The new world order needs to be allowed to evolve in its own right without being dragged along by the thinking of the old.